Mrs. Sock.
Hi, Sarah.
I was lying the fire.
Yeah.
And not laying an egg. I was laying the fire and I came across this. It's a letter.
It's not from HMRC again, is it?
No. I'll read it to you.
Good.
It says, Dear Mrs. Sock, due to your unique parenting styles, you've been requested to foster Clopton and Shovell.
Right.
They are Christmas elf socks, and they've been banished from the North Pole due to their incorrigible naughtiness. They are foul-mouthed, so I've spared them the embarrassment by rendering them speechless.
Oh, good.
Yes. Good luck, Father Christmas. P.S. You're still on the naughty list.
Oh.
P.P.S. Sarah is still on the naughty list.
Ha!
You do realise there's no such thing as the naughty list?
Yep, there is.
Are you really on the naughty list?
I did a terrible thing.
Worse than stealing my jewellery? So you're going to take them on?
Yeah.
Well, I guess they'll arrive tonight. Anyway, let's face it should be fun. Should be fun. What can two socks do? By the way, there is really no such thing as the naughty list, or Father Christmas for that matter.
Sarah, you are a trustee of St. Nicholas's Hospital. St. Nicholas's?
True.
And you're talking to a sock. A sock!
Take your point, but there's still no such thing as the naughty list.
Sarah, I need help. And you possibly too.
Okay. This is serious, isn't it? Okay. I'll do it right with you. Though I'm staying on the naughty list.
Okay. Hi! Ow! 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 Stop! Sarah, I'm meant to be knocked out by this point. Ow!
They've arrived. Batten down the hatches.